The Sun, a blazing ball of plasma at the heart of our solar system. The Sun is a colossal sphere of hydrogen and helium undergoing nuclear fusion. It bathes us in light and warmth, providing the essential energy that sustains life on our planet. Life on Earth, in all its diversity and wonder, is completely dependent on this star. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being relies on the Sun's energy. We owe our very existence to the Sun's constant energy. It powers our ecosystems, drives our weather patterns, and even fuels our technological advancements through solar power. But what if this celestial giant were to suddenly vanish? The thought alone is chilling. Imagine for a moment a sky devoid of the sun's light. No dawn, no dusk, just perpetual darkness. This is not just a thought experiment. It allows us to truly grasp the sun's profound impact on our planet. Scientists study the sun to understand its vital role in our existence. The consequences of a sunless existence would be devastating and immediate. Cities would plunge into darkness, and natural landscapes would lose their vibrancy. Darkness would engulf Earth, plunging us into an eternal night. Temperatures would plummet rapidly, leading to a frozen world. Life as we know it would face an unprecedented challenge for survival. Plants would wither, animals would struggle, and humans would face dire conditions. Our planet's delicate balance, carefully crafted over billions of years, would be irrevocably disrupted. Ecosystems would collapse and climate patterns would be thrown into chaos. The loss of the sun would be nothing short of catastrophic, leading to a series of events that would reshape Earth in unimaginable ways. The very fabric of life would be altered forever. In the absence of the sun's radiant energy, the very essence of life would be altered. Darkness would become our new reality, enveloping every corner of the globe. The world as we know it is governed by the cycle of day and night, a rhythm that has persisted for eons. This cycle dictates everything from our sleep patterns to the behavior of animals, influencing every aspect of life. Without the sun's light, photosynthesis would cease, halting the growth of plants. Plants, the primary producers of oxygen, would wither and die, leading to a catastrophic collapse of ecosystems. The lush green landscapes we take for granted would transform into barren wastelands, devoid of life. The temperature drop would be swift and merciless, leaving no time for adaptation. Within hours, the global temperature would plummet far below freezing, creating an inhospitable environment. Oceans, lakes and rivers would begin to freeze over, turning liquid water into solid ice. Encasing the planet in a layer of ice, the Earth would become a frozen wasteland, unrecognizable and desolate. The sun's gravity is what holds our atmosphere in place. Without it, Earth's atmosphere would slowly but surely escape into the vacuum of space. This loss of atmosphere would have dire consequences for any life that might have initially survived the initial temperature drop. The atmosphere acts as a protective blanket. It shields us from harmful radiation and regulates temperature. Without it, Earth would be exposed to the harsh realities of space, making it even more inhospitable. The delicate balance of gases that make up our atmosphere would be disrupted. Oxygen, essential for most life forms, would become increasingly scarce. The air would become thin and unbreathable. Section 4. A frozen and static Earth. Earth's rotation is influenced by the gravitational pull of the sun. Without this celestial dance partner, our planet's rotation would slow down significantly. Days and nights, as we know them, would become much longer. The moon, our faithful companion, would also be affected. Its gravitational influence on Earth would diminish, leading to less dramatic tides. The ebb and flow of the oceans, a familiar rhythm of our planet, would gradually fade away. The oceans, once teeming with life, would transform into vast frozen wastelands. The ice would reflect any faint light from distant stars, creating a desolate and eerie landscape. Section 5. The sun's enduring legacy. While this scenario is purely hypothetical, it serves as a stark reminder of the sun's importance. Without the sun, life as we know it would cease to exist, plunging our world into eternal darkness and cold. Our stars is not merely a source of light and warmth, but the very foundation upon which our existence is built. It powers the cycles of nature and sustains the delicate balance of our ecosystem. The intricate web of life on Earth, from the smallest microorganism to the largest whale, thrives because of the sun's energy, is entirely dependent on the sun's energy. Plants convert sunlight into food through photosynthesis, which in turn supports all other life forms. It is a humbling realization that our planet's fate is inextricably linked to this celestial giant. The sun's influence extends far beyond our daily weather patterns. As we marvel at the wonders of the universe, we must remember the vital role our sun plays in our survival. Let us not forget the preciousness of our own planet and the star that makes it all possible. Every sunrise and sunset is a testament to the sun's enduring legacy. The sun's story is a reminder of the fragility of life and the interconnectedness of all things, and the need to cherish and protect our home in the vastness of space. Our survival depends on our respect and understanding of this magnificent star.